Hi guys, I just want to share with you the good news that my client, who is an accused in a criminal case, has been acquitted last week, and then we asked for the return of the cash bail that was posted by my client for his temporary release. So I just want to make a short and quick video on how to ask for the return of the accused's cash bail. So normally, guys, when your client who is an accused has been acquitted or the case has been dismissed against him, you would want to ask for the return of the bail that the accused has posted. Then I asked the court when I could ask for the return of the cash bail, and the court said that they usually do it on the last day of each month. So since February 28th today is the last day of the month, I together with my client went to the court to ask for the return of his cash bail. So this video is very quick and straightforward. So let's get to it. So first of all, what is bail? So for those non-law students, bail is known in the Philippines as Pyansa. Okay, so bail is aka Pyansa. According to Section 1, Rule 114 of the Rules of Criminal Procedure, bail is the security given for the release of a person in custody of the law that is furnished by him or a bondsman to guarantee his appearance before any court as required under the conditions that are specified in the rules of criminal procedure. So basically, when we speak of bail or pianza, this is the money or any security given for the temporary release of the accused. So while the case is not yet final, while the case is still ongoing, and you want your client who is an accused or the accused wants his temporary liberty, then he should post some bail or pianza. Okay. Okay, so when can we ask for the return of the bail? Take note that this video is only for cash bail. There are other forms of bail, such as your corporate surety or your bond, and you also have your release on recognizance. So take note that this video is only for cash bail. All right, so for the return of the cash bail, we actually want to cancel the bail. So Section 22, paragraph 2 of Rule 114 of the Rules of Criminal Procedure is instructive. So the second paragraph states that the bail shall be deemed automatically canceled. So there is no need for us to apply for the cancellation in these cases, such that the bail in the following cases will be automatically canceled. When we speak of canceled, that means that we can ask for the return. Pwede natin kunin ang refund, quote-unquote refund of the bail or the pianza that was given by the accused. So in the following cases, first, upon acquittal of the accused. When we say acquittal, that means that the accused was not found guilty by the judge. So sabi ni judge, the accused has no criminal liability. So that's the acquittal. So when that happens, the bail or yung piyansa na binigay ni accused will be automatically canceled. So ang effect nun, pwede mo nang kunin yung refund of the bail. Okay? Or there is a dismissal of the case. So there is no finding of whether guilty or not guilty, but rather the case was really dismissed. So for example, when the parties have entered into a compromise, or the private complainant or the victim forgave the accused and decided not to push through with the case anymore, so the judge will dismiss the case. So when the case is dismissed, then the bail is automatically cancelled. And since automatically cancelled siya, pwede nang kunin ulit ni accused yung piyansa na binigay niya sa court. Or another instance when the bail will be automatically cancelled is when there is execution of the judgment of conviction. So this is opposite to the first one, which is acquittal. So in acquittal, diba, not found guilty. And this time, the accused was found guilty. So kung guilty si accused, kung sabi ni judge na guilty si accused, that's the final judgment of the court, then the accused is not anymore entitled to his temporary liberty. So, hindi na pwede na nasa labas lang si accused. So, aarestuhin na ulit si accused. And this time for good na yan, di ba? So, since there is no more temporary liberty, the purpose of bail is defeated at this time, right? Because again, bail is there to guarantee the to guarantee the appearance of the accused in court while he is enjoying his temporary liberty. But this time, there is already execution of the judgment of conviction. So, convicted bale si accused. The accused was found guilty, so kailangan na siyang arestuhin ulit. Ilagay siya sa prison, okay? So, he is not anymore entitled to temporary liberty, so the bail will also be cancelled automatically. So, this time, even though si accused is nasa prison na siya, yung piyansa niya is pwede nang i-release. Okay, so those are the three instances where bail may be deemed automatically cancelled. In my case, actually, the accused was acquitted. Okay, so I am, or not me, but my client, the accused, is entitled for the cancellation of the bail or for the return of the cash bail that he posted. Okay, so step one, okay, if this happens to you or your client, so these are the steps that you need to follow. So step one is to prepare 3 copies of the accused's valid ID. Okay, photocopy. So make sure that the ID is still valid. And then have it signed by the accused. Let's say sa center portion or sa gilid, anywhere in the paper, no, as long as the signature is original. So dapat kayong dalawa ni accused, you as the lawyer and the accused are there to will be there rather in the office to ask for the return. So prepare 3 copies of the accused's valid ID, and then don't forget to have it signed. Step 2 is to go to the office where the accused posted his bail. So kung saan binigay or binayad ni accused yung piyansa niya, doon din kukunin, di ba? So go to the office where the accused posted his bail. In my case, the bail was posted in the office of the clerk of court in the court where the criminal case was pending. So we went to the office of the clerk of court to ask for the refund. And then step 3, the clerk of court will then prepare a disbursement voucher. So the accused will be required to sign the disbursement voucher. So in our case, the disbursement voucher was rather executed in 5 copies. So 5 copies, the accused will have to sign 5 papers for that purpose. After which, the officer, in our case, the clerk of court, will hand over the money. So, kanina, when we went to the office of the clerk of court, after my client, the accused, has signed the disbursement voucher, binigay na ni clerk of court yung pera niya, yung piyansa niya, binigay ulit, or it was refunded to the accused. And then, we lived happily ever after. Anyway, thank you. That's it. And again, this video is only for the return of cash bail. Okay, the return or the cancellation of other forms of bail will be discussed in another video. Maybe when I get the chance to experience that, because I too am a new lawyer. So I made this video to help new lawyers or law students who would want to appreciate the beauty of the procedure when it comes to cancellation of bail. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!